Okay, we have here is the EMF meter circuit I found online with the LM3914 and a LM386 amplifier. It's a 9-volt battery. So we'll show it to you on the breadboard. There's a little potentiometer here that can adjust the sensitivity of it. Another potentiometer here. And we have here an antenna with an SMA connector. So let me plug this thing in and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so you can see the lights aren't on right now. I'll turn that back on. And I'll turn the cell phone on here. Let's see if you can catch that. So when I bring the cell phone near, you can see the lights come on. Turn it back on here. Well, there it is. And I made a PCB for it, and I put it into a shielded box. The antenna's hooked up, and we're going to do a test here. Let's turn this thing on. Now, we just scan it over. Phone that's not on. Turn my phone on here. See the lights are coming on. Now let's see how much radiation is being emitted from other devices. Let's say this drill, for example. That's about a foot away, just picking up the signal from that. Now, I don't know the dangers of this, but I noticed on the phone, when you get a phone call, it's a little stronger signal. So anyway, the circuit seems to be working pretty good.